Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to see how to change a flat tire in the Renault Megane. Don't call the garage, don't call the insurance, don't wait for them, don't spend money. You can do it in 15 minutes. It's super easy. And if it's the first time you have got a flat tire, I'm going to explain you how to change it. This will work for almost any car possible if you have a spare tire. Not all the cars has a spare tire. Some cars has a puncture kit. Doesn't look good this. We are going to repair it. Okay, where is the spare tire in the Renault Megane? Here. Very easy to find. Okay, we have here the jack. We are going to remove the jack, and here we have the wrench we need. Here is the tool we need, and what else? We need to unscrew here to release the spare wire tire. Okay. This weighs a little bit, not much, but it weighs. Okay, I made it. Let's get the jack and put it in position. Okay, in its side we have these holes here, this one here, and there is another one for this wheel. So we are going to insert the jack in this hole. Okay, let's do it. Okay. And now we can go up. Okay, let's remove the screws. I think this is not supposed to use for this, but it's going to help me a little bit. Yes. Easy. Okay. So nice and easy. One, and the last one. Good, easy. Okay, let's put this one in position now. We need to go to put the car a little bit up. A little bit more. Just there, perfect. I don't have to do any effort like this. I place it there. Super easy. Okay, now like at the beginning we are going to apply a little bit of strength. Okay, the wheel is installed and now we can remove the jack. Okay, let's do it in the other direction now. Okay. Okay. We are going to put in position the wheel. And now the tools that goes here and here, and we have to completely close this We can close this. Okay, one more recommendation. Use gloves. Otherwise, you're going to get your hands like this and probably your face also. So, important to wear hands. I didn't do it, so you can see what happens. I forget to get the gloves. Well, we didn't know what happens to the wheel. Probably, I don't know. Just get flat. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to my channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.